So this ride along right here is the most fun ride along that I've had throughout this entire internship. So stay tuned. Today is June 19th, 2025, and I'm riding with the one and only Trooper Sam Sharp. This guy is in the Angola area. Played basketball for Trine, so me and Burrow were locked in on that. But this is like only my third ride along, and the first two ride alongs were very chill. You know, just we're just doing a little bit of this, a little bit of traffic stops, maybe a little warning. This was the whole different pace, and that's what he told me from the start. He's like, he told like my supervisor or corporal, like, he's gonna get a change of pace today. First, so I haven't had an arrest yet throughout this, up to this point, right? Today, that changed. And he let me get out the car for the very first time. So I was able to see all of this in person. Like, the first two troopers did not let me get out the car. First, we started off, right, with a possible OWI and possession charge. Two people in the car were like high, and they had a paraphernalia on them. But that resulted in 2 arrests. That was not our arrest, but that's the first time I see somebody get arrested. Then we stopped the car. So after that, we stopped the car who was speeding, and as soon as he got up to the car, I didn't get out the car this time. He he smells weed in the car, and apparently him and the driver had a bit of a disagreement, but they got to handle that a little bit. And this is like one of my biggest fears, is that I'm going to see somebody that I know on this internship. So there was 3 people in this car, right? And one of the people I recognize. I don't know them, but like, I've seen him. He's like from my high school. But so we found weed in the car. I think there was also a gun, but like, none of them were felons, so I think they had it legally. So we arrested one out of the 3 person. The one person like just claimed that the weed was theirs. So first arrest, possession of marijuana. So yeah, I took him to jail. Cool. And also I had to move to the back seat. So yeah, they always have their guys in the front seat. So yeah, when we took him to jail, we went to the Steuben County Jail. Steuben. I don't know how to spell that. I think it's Stuben. But I got to hang out in like the central like camera room, whatever. Got to talk to like the CEOs and stuff like that. It was pretty chill. But that's not the first time I saw him that day. Like, we got pretty familiar that day. And also we saw the OWI. I saw the guy who had the OWI from the first stop just walking around. After that, we assisted on. We had a sister arrest. 2 people were arrested there. I don't know what the whole charges were there. And then possession of weed twice, 2 people, paraphernalia. And another person was driving without their license. They had like international license, which is only Class C misdemeanor. Just some Mexican immigrants, and we towed the car. Yeah, a lot of things. I'm trying to speed through this. We also made 2 more traffic stops, both warnings. And then like one of them was a trooper's wife. That was pretty funny. So we didn't give them no warning, no nothing like that. We just let them go, right? Um, then we found a black truck going like just under 90 miles an hour. Um, I think it was a firefighter too. That was so funny. Then we had another stop for speeding, and then there was like a whole mess or something. And for some reason, like my trooper got so busy that I got to ride with the sergeant. So I got to ride for a little bit. Sergeant Lassoff, really chill guy, by the way. And one thing he told me was, do not leave your trooper on the side of the interstate. Good thing to know. But at this particular stop, we had another stop with the sergeant. We was an OWI. There was weed and paraphernalia in the car. And it was like a family, so the mother could not drive either. So we had to wait for another tow. Then we had another speeding stop, which ended up with a warning. And then other people driving without their licenses. Then we got back, and I got back with my original ride along with Trooper Sharp. But yeah, when I was riding with the Sarge, he parked so far away from the backup though. He parked so far. Like usually, like they're like a car length apart from each other. This guy parks probably like a solid like 30 yards from like the next car in front of him on the side of the road. I'm like, bro, I'm not gonna walk this far. But yeah, a lot that day. But so there's like this like friend group of people up north, just called the North Guys. Just a couple of officers who just love to get after it, just love to make an arrest and stuff like that. On this particular day that I rode with them, there were 21 arrests from this group of people alone, which is probably like 3 to 4 officers. Like, crazy work. And I was there for about half of them. So it was absolutely crazy. It was like it was crazy. And then like the trooper was telling me at the end of the night that like you have experienced more today than a lot of interns have had. So very fun day. Definitely my funnest ride along throughout this entire internship, and that was my day.